How much does it really cost to own an Outer Banks beach house? What does it really cost to own an Outer Banks beach house? Most buyers focus on the purchase price, but the reality is that the mortgage payment is only one part of the ownership picture. Two homes with the exact same purchase price can have very different ownership costs. Insurance, flood zones, HOA fees, maintenance, utilities. Today we're talking about the real cost of owning a beach house on the Outer Banks. Hi, I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams OBX, and I help buyers and sellers from Corolla to Ocracoke. Let's get started. The first cost, the mortgage. For most owners, the mortgage payment is the largest expense. Your payment depends on purchase price, down payment, interest rate, loan program, property taxes, and insurance. Many buyers stop their analysis here, but coastal ownership involves much more than the monthly mortgage. Property taxes. One pleasant surprise for many buyers is that property taxes on the Outer Banks are often lower than many other coastal markets. Taxes vary depending on Dare County, Currituck County, property value, location. While taxes are important, they typically are not the expense that surprises most of the buyers. Insurance. Insurance is often one of the biggest differences between owning a beach house and owning a property inland. Depending on the property, owners may need homeowners insurance, wind and hail coverage, flood insurance. Insurance costs can vary based on flood zone, elevation, age of the home, construction features, distance from the ocean, roof age. Two homes with the same price may have very different insurance costs. This is one reason why buyers should always evaluate the total ownership cost before making a decision. HOA and condo fees. Some communities and condominiums have association fees. These fees may help maintain pools, clubhouses, roads, landscaping, common areas. Amenities. Sometimes these fees provide tremendous value. Other times they can significantly impact monthly ownership cost. Understanding what is included is extremely important. Maintenance and repairs. The Outer Banks is beautiful, but coastal weather can be tough on a home. Ocean air, salt, wind, sun, storms. Routine maintenance often includes exterior painting, deck maintenance, HVAC servicing, roof inspections, siding repairs, general upkeep. Homes that are well maintained and often hold their value better and experience fewer costly repairs later. Planning for maintenance is simply part of coastal ownership. Utilities and services. Additional costs may include electric, water, internet, trash service, pest control, land maintenance. The size of the home and how often it's used can significantly affect these expenses. A primary residence may have very different utility costs than a second home or vacation rental. Vacation rental expenses. If you're considering an investment property or vacation rental, there may be additional expenses. These include property management fees, cleaning fees, furnishing replacement, marketing expenses, guest-related maintenance. Rental income can certainly offset many of these costs. However, it's important to evaluate both the income side and the expense side before purchasing. Successful investors understand both. The two most important questions after helping buyers throughout the Outer Banks, I have found that the most successful buyers ask two questions. First, can I afford to buy it? And second, can I comfortably own it long term? These two questions often lead to the best decisions because buying the home is only the beginning. Owning it comfortably is what creates long-term enjoyment. Owning an Outer Banks beach house can be incredibly rewarding. Whether it's a second home, a retirement property, a vacation rental, a future primary residence, Understanding the full cost of ownership helps you make decisions with confidence. If you're considering purchasing on the Outer Banks and would like help evaluating the numbers, understanding ownership cost, or exploring different communities from Corolla to Ocracoke, I'd be happy to help. I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams OBX. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What ownership expense do you think surprises buyers the most? And I'll see you in the next video.